My grandmother, she passed away 22 years ago, and this is the marae that holds great memories and this land, and this place is where I am, and kawaio, who I am, my identity. As I look out on the moana, I feel really connected here. She was my favourite grandmother. I have such a strong connection to her. I'm passionate about advocating in this space to showcase for Turi Māori that the stage can be a place for them, both linguistically and culturally, to show that our language is something that we can be seen on the stage in front of our community. Equal Voices Arts project received funding from the Minister of Culture and Heritage to really advocate in this space, to showcase deaf culture, to show our language and accessibility on the stage, to show that we can work together in the arts space here in Aotearoa as well as internationally. We want to make people aware that deaf people they can be actors, they can be directors, they can be in this arts space. And so I feel like it's really opening people's minds and understandings that we're all equal, we can all work together in this mahi. Wow, to receive this award, I never thought I would win an award like this. When I received the email, I read it once and I was like, is this for real? I thought, wow, this is such a unique opportunity to be recognised. Thank you so much for recognising me this award. It's given me so much encouragement to keep moving forward in this space. It means so much to me. It's a very rare opportunity for Māori deaf women to receive something from this, so I want to give the acknowledgement back to you.